Hello guys. If your FiOS router is blinking a white light, it can be confusing because the light usually indicates that the router is in a processing or connecting state, but it doesn't clearly tell you what's wrong. In many cases, a blinking white light means the router is trying to establish a connection, update itself, or recover from a temporary issue. However, if it keeps blinking for a long time, it may signal a connection problem, firmware issue, or network interruption. This can lead to slow or no internet access, which makes it frustrating to use your devices. The good part is that this issue is usually temporary and can be fixed by checking a few important things step by step. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the blinking white light on your FiOS router and restore your internet connection. Try these. Step 1. Restart the router by unplugging it and plugging it back in. Step 2. Check if the internet service is active and not down. Step 3. Ensure all cables are properly connected and secure. Step 4. Wait for a few minutes to allow the router to fully connect. Step 5. Reconnect your devices to the Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Confirm the light turns stable and internet is working properly.